You are welcome once again to my channel, and today we'll continue solving our mathematical problems. So we'll be looking at an equation which says if 3x plus 3x plus 3 equals 84, find x. If x equals, if 3x plus 3x plus x plus 3 equals 8, find x. The first thing that ought to come to mind is for us to apply the law of indices to this. And which of the law of indices are we to apply? The one which says ax plus y or m plus n, either ways, can also be written as a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y. So in this case, we'll replicate that 3x plus, this can be replicated as this. So we have 3x raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 equals 8. Equals 8. Equals, sorry, this should be 84. So it's 84. Equals 84. So let's proceed. We have 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 will give us 27 equals 84. Equals 84. For us to be able to find our value of x without much stress, we need to represent this with by a letter. And let's say let 3 raised to power x equals p. So anywhere we see 3 raised to power x, we will replace it with p. Anywhere we see 3 raised to power x, to be replaced with p for easy calculation. So let our 3 raised to power x equals p. So here we now have p plus another p multiplied by 27 equals 84. So we have p plus 27p equals 84. So here we have 28p equals 84. We have 28p equals 84. So for us to find the value of p, we divide both sides by 28. And we divide both sides by 28. This one is 3. So therefore the value of p is 3. So don't forget, we said let 3 raised to power x equals p. We are looking for x, not p. So but since we've gotten the value of p now, so let's bring 3x back. Let's bring 3x back. Let's say 3x equals 3. 3 raised to power x equals 3. So automatically this one has the power of 1, but it's not always written, because any number raised to the power of 1 is that number. Any power raised to the power of 1 is that number. So they have this one, they have equal base. So therefore the value of x equals 1. Our value of x equals 1. So let's check our equation. Let's check if 1 is actually the x plus 3 equals 84. And we said x is 1. So let's say 3 raised to power 1 plus 3 raised to power 1 plus 3 equals 84. Here we have 3 raised to power 1 is 3 plus 3 raised to power 4, that's 81. So definitely our answer is correct. So this value of x, which happens to be 1, is the correct answer. Thank you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button. Thank you.